One of the biggest trends these days are mystery boxes from websites such as Lazada, which promise you a chance of getting a smartphone in every 100, 200, or 300 boxes. So we've been doing a lot of mystery unboxings with Pound It and even some of our partners such as Urban Traveler and even like a local mystery box in the past few months. I wanted to chime in on the Lazada trend as well. So today, I ordered 7 Lazada mystery boxes which promise a smartphone, one in every 100, 200, 300 boxes. Let's just try our luck, check out what's inside, and by the way guys, please make sure that you watch until the very end of the vlog because everything that I will be unboxing today, I will be raffling off to one lucky person. Let's go! So the 7 boxes that I bought are a mystery box with the chance to win a Xiaomi smartphone, one in every 300 boxes. I bought 3, 299 pesos each. We have a mystery box with the chance to win a Redmi K20 Pro, one in every 200 boxes. We bought 3 as well, 299 pesos a piece. And then a mystery box with the chance to win a Galaxy A50, one in every 300 boxes, 299 pesos each. Total bill, 2,143 pesos. Let's start unboxing. So we have 4 boxes here. I'm not really sure which one is which, so let's just pop every single box and find out what's inside. First box, it says here Lazada, effortless shopping, lazada.com. Let's find out what's inside. I can already tell just by holding it that it's not really a phone because it's really too light. So yeah, let's go over the items one by one. First up, we have a USB light connector to a USB. Well, so it's USB powered and you have a USB light. Next, we have a high-speed data cable, micro USB. And then we have, we have something nice. We have a 10,000 milliampere Romos power bank. This is pretty good. I mean, considering that the box is like 299 pesos, you get the power bank that's 10,000 milliamperes. That's not bad value. So that's the first item or the first mystery box that we opened. Again, take note, everything that we will be unboxing today will be raffled off to just one lucky winner. So make sure that you guys watch until the very end of the vlog to see if you are that lucky person or how you can join that raffle. So let's pop open the second box. We have, at least you get like an assortment of items. This is kind of fun. Next, we have, a green pouch. A green pouch, okay, a green pouch. Then you have the USB light once again. This is like a popular item in mystery boxes. Then we have a USB cable, another USB cable. This one is micro USB as well. And I did not expect this. We have a JBL by Harman Action Fit headphone. So this is pretty good. I mean, yeah, considering the price, it's like, there's one more item. What? We have a sports watch from Lastica. Watch meets you. So it looks big. I don't want to go over the watch and unbox it completely because again, we're giving this away to one person. So hey, for 299 pesos, again, not bad. You get like earphones, you get a watch, you get stuff you don't need to impress people that you don't really like. Yeah, let's keep doing this. Next up, we have another box. So this is the third box in our mystery unboxing. Remember, we have 7. So I probably should slow down. But anyway, let's keep going. Just by the weight of the box, I can already tell that this won't have a smartphone in it. But hey, I might be surprised. Let's just keep doing this. Next up, we have the green pouch. Now we have the purple pouch. So we have 2 pouches. And we have 1+1 wireless speakers. So this is wireless, playing time 3 to 4 hours. The brand is brandless because there's no brand unless it's 1+1. 1+1. Parang 1+1 na smartphone. Pero, But anyway, yeah, you get the wireless head speakers from this one. And we get our typical, usual, just like the staple item that they put in every single Lazada 299 peso mystery box. The USB light. One more box, guys. So let's pop this bad boy open. Again, just by shaking it, I can tell this doesn't have a smartphone. So let's open this bad boy up and what? Seriously? So we have like wireless speakers. We have like earphones. we were able to get the power bank. Talk about assortment. Now, we have... Are you guys ready? Well, first we have a yellow pouch, so let's get that out of the way. Are you guys ready for this? We have a Chan Seeing 6-axis aerocraft drone. What? Well, it is a small drone, and it has like a really small camera. But yeah, I wasn't expecting this at all. But hey, again, for $299, not bad. So let's go over some of the items that we were able to get so far. So we had like a wireless speaker. We had like a super small mini drone. We have like cool earphones from JBL. Again, I'm not sure if this is authentic or 100% legit, so take that with a grain of salt. We have the Romos 10,000 milliampere power bank, which for me is great value. I love Romos. The quality of product's pretty good. We have 3 pouches. One in green, one in yellow, one in violet. And then we have a bunch of micro USB cables. We have a bunch of USB LED lights. And we have the sports watch. But hey, we're not yet done. We have this box as well. I think there are 2 boxes here, or there are 3. I'm not sure. But yeah, let's just open this up. Let's get our knife and slice this bad boy open. So I think this is like the other 299 peso mystery box. Or was it bigger? I really can't tell anymore. So it says here, Curiosity Builds Mystery Box, Wonder Awaits. So let's see if there is actually wonder here. Or wonderan lang. So buksan na natin to. Let's pop it open. What? Okay, so we have a ton of stuff. I think this is like the 3 other 299 boxes, and they just put it in one box. Hey, Lazada, that's kind of lazy. I mean, the point of multiple mystery boxes is that you buy multiple boxes. So the fact that everything is stuffed into one box kind of takes away the excitement, right? Out of opening the mystery box. But hey, let's start taking a look at what's inside. First up, we have... What's this? Oh, we have a package of stuff. Maybe we'll do that last. So first up, we have a pre-used, because it looks like it's been opened already. We have... What the F is this? It's a USB plug. What? What is this? Oh, I don't even... It's a USB power adapter. White. I don't know what? Okay, I have no idea what this does, but it looks like crap. So next we have a USB. Oh, we have something we can use. It's a lightning cable. And then we have a travel charger from Tilex. It's basically like a USB plug wall charger. And then we have an HD clock DVR. What the F is that? So it's what? I mean, it's a spy camera motion detector mini DVR stainless. So when it detects motion, it captures video. That's cool. So we have a spy camera, and then we have 2 more packages inside. So consider that like one of the 7 boxes. So we are now down to the last 5 boxes that we have in the 7 mystery boxes that we bought. So let's unwrap both packages over here. This is technically mystery box number 6. First, we have a Bluetooth music receiver that's covered in so much dust that it's actually triggering my allergy. Whew. Yeah, so that's the first item. Next, we have a Bluetooth free car charger. What? Bluetooth hands-free car charger. I have no idea what this is. Next, we have a USB-C, our micro USB cable, very small. And we have another dust-covered smartwatch. The brand, Internal Ional. So let's just pop this open, take a look at what's inside. So user manual. Yeah, just typical what. I won't even bother opening. Oh, wow. Woo! So much dust. Ah, wow. Okay. Now we get to the 7th and last mystery package that we were able to get. Again, clearly we lucked out on the smartphone. We don't have a smartphone. We weren't able to get it with the 1 out of whatever box. Maybe you can get one. Let me know if I should order like 300 mystery boxes to actually test. If they do give like a smartphone in every 200 or 300 boxes. That would be pretty crazy, right? So, well, okay, next we have sunglasses. Mobile eyewear recorder. So it's like one of those spy camera things again. So we already have like the spy. Where's that? We have the spy. Where did I put that? Oh, somewhere there. We have the spy watch. Now we have spy glasses. And then we have Another headset. This one is from Tilex. It's the same brand as the one earlier. And then we have a selfie stick from the brand Yunteng over here that also functions as a tripod. And we have a USB-C car charger. So I've spent a grand total of 2,000 plus pesos, and probably the items that are worth mentioning. Let's just go over the high valued or the interesting ones. Of course, we have the sunglasses that are also spy glasses. I have no idea if this works. We have the spy watch that also records based on movement and motion. We have the wireless speakers from OnePlus One. And then, and then we have that mini drone, the Tai 922. We have the Tromos power bank. We have, what else is here? We have the smartwatch. We have cables, yeah, and just a ton of stuff that I don't really need. But hey, maybe one of you guys needs it, and that's where we are actually going to next. Like what I promised, I will be raffling away everything that's here to one lucky person. What do you guys need to do to join? Number one, you need to subscribe to my channel. Number two, you have to follow me on Instagram. And number three, just leave a comment down below on what item here you like the most and put your Instagram handle as well. And then I will be drawing the winner next Sunday. So what date is that? Hold on. We'll be drawing the winner on July 21. So that's 2 Sundays from now, and that's actually my birthday. So happy birthday to me. Or is that 3 Sundays? 2 Sundays from now. So we'll be drawing the winner on July 21, and I will be announcing a really crazy sick giveaway on July 21 as well to celebrate my birthday with you guys. So again, that's a ton of stuff that we were able to unbox, and one of you will be able to get all of this for free. All you guys have to do, join the raffle, join the giveaway. I already mentioned the mechanics, but if you missed it, I will write it down step by step in the comment section down below. And just to make it a little bit more interesting, I will be throwing in this fluffy Infinity Gauntlet that we were able to get from Philbars. So not only, man, this stuff is really dusty. I mean, all of the stuff, my allergy is going all over the place. So if ever you will get this box, make sure that you have like some sort of cloth, clean it up, because if you have allergic rhinitis like me, it will activate like heck. But anyway, yeah, we will be throwing in this fluffy Infinity Gauntlet with everything else here. So if you win, you get everything plus this fluffy gauntlet from Philbar. And that, ladies and gentlemen, wraps up our vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to, well, do the mechanics for the giveaway. And yeah, if you haven't checked out my recent vlog where I did an Okada staycation, please do check it out. I will put a link down below. So I stayed in Okada for overnight. I was able to stay in their junior suite, which was like a 100 plus square meter place, had its own bedroom, had a living space, fantastic view of the fountain, where I could enjoy the water show that they would do, or the fountain show that they would do every night. So the link to that particular video can be found down below. If you haven't watched it yet, please do check it out. I also unbox and review there what for me is the best Ultra Boost 19 sneaker so far for 2019. So apart from experience, letting you guys see what was the Okada experience all about, we also have that sneaker unboxing to keep you sneakerheads entertained. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Peace, God bless, what's up? Boom.